Welcome to the Natural Language Processing course. I'm your instructor, Burak Yoldemir. A little bit about myself before we get started. I hold a Ph.D. in Electrical and Computer Engineering from the University of British Columbia, where I worked on the applications of machine learning on biomedical image analysis and specifically brain scans. Previously, I worked on other applications of machine learning, such as landmine detection and business intelligence. Currently, I'm working as a data scientist on conversational AI systems at SAP, which is a German-based software corporation that makes enterprise software and has about 100,000 employees. Here's a bird's eye view of the topics we will be covering in this course. After an introductory section on the applications of natural language processing, or NLP for short, we will first look at various ways of cleaning up text data. We will then learn about ways of extracting features from text that will be useful for downstream tasks. Next, we will learn about topic modeling, which will help us uncover the topics that shape up a given document. We will also look at one of the most common tasks of NLP, text classification, which involves grouping text into predefined categories. For example, classifying emails into two groups, spam and not spam. And finally, we will look at language models, which are probabilistic models that are able to predict the next word in a sequence given the words that precede it. We will use our learnings from this final module for an exciting final project. We will create a language model that learns how to generate text like a book you like or a celebrity you follow. Here are the prerequisites to take the most out of this course. All of the examples will be in Python programming language, so it is very highly suggested that you come into this course with at least a basic understanding of Python. Prior exposure to machine learning and probability will make this course easier to understand, although I will do my best to explain the terms that I use. I will be showing Python code snippets throughout the course. Please take the time to run these yourself, modify them, and try to understand what they really do. And of course, just let me know in the discussion forum if you have any questions. Here are the course outcomes. You will learn the whole text processing pipeline, which includes pre-processing text data, extracting features to be used in downstream tasks, and finally performing some of the most common NLP tasks. Like I mentioned before, you will finish the course by completing a final project that lets a machine generate text that sounds like your favorite celebrity or book. This project is a great opportunity to showcase your skills after you complete this course, and I highly suggest you to post your project on a GitHub repository or on your LinkedIn profile to provide visibility into your work.